Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change oil on 2006 Jeep Commander full guide. Start by gathering a socket set, drain pan, funnel, 5W30 oil, and a replacement filter. Double-check the oil capacity for the 4.7L engine and prepare rags. Wear gloves and safety glasses. I'll walk you through lifting the vehicle safely, locating the drain plug, removing the old filter, installing the new one, and in this video I will show how to change oil on 2006 Jeep Commander full guide. With gloves on, loosen the drain plug and let the oil empty into the pan without rushing. Inspect the drained oil for metal shavings or coolant signs. Clean the plug and replace the crush washer if it's worn. Reinstall the plug to the correct torque to prevent leaks, but do not over-tighten and strip the pan. In this video, I will show how to change oil on 2006 Jeep Commander full guide. Remove the old filter and wipe the surface clean, then smear new oil on the replacement gasket for a proper seal. Hand tighten the new filter and add the specified quarts of oil while checking the dipstick frequently. Start the engine briefly, check for leaks, recheck the level, and dispose of used oil responsibly at a recycling.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.